Hope City Spoke Repair was represented tonight by Mark Caesar, Mike Czaplinski, James Denning, Bill Hahn, Rob Pastorio-Newman, and Susan Welber. Your flight attendant was Mark Caesar, and the entire fiasco was directed by Bill Cronick, your cruise director. Life has been made a lot easier by Chapter 1 books and the indigenous denizens of the House of Hope. If the cabin should suddenly depressurize, please remember that any similarity between persons living or dead and characters in Hope City Spoke Repair is purely coincidental or rendered purely for satiric purpose. Please note that your seat may be used as a flotation device. Entire production copyright 1994 by Hope City Spoke Repair Productions. Please assume crash positions. Oh, sorry, it was just someone with a Game Boy. My mistake.
Can't hear you.